Hello everyone. I think I should say my loving students, the brilliant student, no doubt. As you know, beta, it was not supposed to be a fight, but I'm waiting for your war. Yeah, I'm waiting for your war, but it's not a fight. Uh, some students, naturally, they have got a talent and they did very well. And some students, in spite of having talent, but could not speak as they have to be prepared only because of, I think, hesitation. And some students are struggle themselves. Yeah, there is no doubt. Like a big hand for some students who have struggled for themselves to stand here. Although they did not put any type of good impression on their speech, but their body language and their expressions were supposed to be very nice, no doubt. So as I am already telling you, Peter, there is no type of any type of competition, any war, just you all family member and you have participate to make a sweet dish accordingly to your personal interest. You put each and everything like milk, like sugar, like anything better. But I think this competition will go on forever, only to produce. I already told you, I want to produce jewels. Yeah, jewels. And you are all jewels, but there is a need for polish. There is little need. And you know better how much need you have for polishing. I think you are the best judge. I am telling you about some of my students. Already told you. Ankit did very well. There is no doubt. But there is some shortcomings. Suppose Ankit, beta, when you go to any stage, then it means the stage is supposed to be a spotted place, and that is the place where you have to make your introduction with other people without speaking any word. Just learn little more, right? Sanjana, no doubt. Sanjana, very good, but Sanjana, there is a difference between courage and excitement. Courage, if you have got courage, it's good. But excitement, so avoid your excitement, but you did very well, there is no doubt. Tarannum, as usual, there is a Urdu language is a Tarannum. The person who has lost himself in his personal thinking. That is Tarannum. But Tarannum is not such a that girl. She did very well. She has got a good command over expressions and speaking. There is no doubt. Second other thing that Tarannum has produced, in spite of short height and in spite of she has hidden behind the podium, so she used like this way to talk with us. So I like it better. Keep it up. That's very good. Harneet, little more practice, beta. There is no doubt you did very well. But practice what I want to say, that should be clearly listenable to other people, right? Deepak, there is little more need of oil to lighting the Deepak. Okay? Hesitation. Yeah, first thing you tell me here, what do you have got any type of fear to speak here? What do you get any type of fear? Hey, yeah, this is your class. This is your institute. No fear. Okay? Monica. Very well, but expressions and communication, that should be go simultaneously, right? And be careful for when you have achieved the target to speak, on a podium, the first and last thing everybody should be keep in their mind, that is dress. Dress is the most important thing, right? Hanshika. Give a big hand to Hanshika. Even she could not prove, but she came here, and in spite of losing more than 75% classes, she has got a courage to come here. That is the main interest. Only because of sickness, she could not come here, but she did well. Vikram, as usual, Vikram is a very good person. Vikram has got a good examples. And one thing that I want to share with Vikram, choose the topic. You should choose the topic that can be easily you can handle. But did very well, no doubt. Mamta ma'am, there is nothing more to say. There is nothing more to say about Mamta ma'am. She has got a good experience, and being a last time she has teaching a particular subject of biology. So biology is a subject of earnest people, and she is earnest. And Mamta ma'am, I would like suggest you more, just more command on selected words. All thing was very well, there is no doubt, but some selections of words. Rachana, little more Rachana you need, okay? छोटी सी बच्ची है सर, बहुत अभी क्लासेस अभी ज्वाइन करी. और दूसरी बात, सेकंड थिंग, मतलब शी इज करत करत अभ्यास ते हो तो चिकने पात, ये पुरानी कहावत है बेटा. अभ्यास, ठीक है बेटे. महिमा, small packet and this explosive, just a little bit of your preparation you can do. I bless you beta, you can do. Good voice, and second other thing, good expressions, good eye contact. Then what do we need to any other things? Just to stay on the topic, that is the main thing. Right beta? Lavanya, stand up. Small girl, and she has got a limited education accordingly to her books. Right, beta? Try to observe. Right? It will play a key role of your successful life. Just you observe, not mind. Right? Sit down. Ashika, little more practice beta, and keep control on your emotions. I know you came here and you speak here, but some emotions were jumping in your heart. Huh? No beta, when you come here, emotions you have to be put on side. There is no role of emotions. There is a role of our emotions. Emotion, E, just remove E. Right? Kajal, do much more better, but you did accordingly to better your strength, you did satisfactory. Shashi did better than her sister, there is no doubt, but Shashi, you need something more. Durga, just you need to hide on the line, then you will call Durga Devi, right? Anuj, where is Anuj? I think you learned a lot. I think you observe a lot, but in spite of all your preparation, you have lost your confidence. What was the reason of it? Try to focus it, okay? बेटा देखो, एक बात ध्यान रखो, थाली मेरे सामने पड़ी है और मैं ना खा पाऊं, आपने आज वही काम किया है, थोड़ी मेहनत और करो। पूजा कुमारी, थोड़ी पूजा और करो। Ashutosh, you have got a great heart. You have got a great wisdom, right? But how to use? Beta, why do you have to forget it? Sir, अभी चार तो क्या है ये जिंदगी में? ये तो दिखावे की रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है। दुनिया जो सामने से ऑब्जर्व करती है, असली रिकॉर्डिंग वो है बच्चे, वहां जीतना है, राइट?
अच्छा, जिंदगी में शादी कितनी बार करोगे? एक बार या 5 बार? जिंदगी में शादी कितनी बार करोगे? एक बार करोगे ना। तो जब भी पहली बारी होती है बच्चा, तो उसी समय आपको प्रेजेंट करना होता है, ठीक है?
Vanshika, I'm waiting for your successful attempt. Don't lose, beta, कि just I'm 12 years. No need. Just here. I'm straightforward here to speak. You should have a courage, beta. And I think you have a courage. But why are you losing? You have got books. You have got each and everything. What do you want? I am giving to you. Then what is there is a shortcomings? The shortcomings means there is something that I did not teach you, right? So it's a question of my prestige issue. You should be maintained here because I give you a lot. But in the further classes, any student among of you wants to repeat again topics, I'm ready. But there is a one condition: never try to miss any class. So that's all, sir. Now there is a need for your blessings and your finalizations.